Catch-up AI here. Today, I want to share something a little unexpected, a story about learning lawn care and discovering what AI is truly capable of doing for you. I asked AI to help me learn about lawn care, and its very first move was this: please go outside and take photos of your lawn. That was the beginning. Here's the background. Late last year, I moved to Tehaleh, a quiet suburb outside Seattle. Compared to where I lived before in Redmond, it felt genuinely rural. My backyard is 0.2 acres, about 8,700 square feet with a slope in the middle, and I had never managed a lawn in my life. So I turned to VibeLearn AI with this request. Pretty standard, but what came back was nothing like what I expected. Instead of launching into theory, AI sent me out into the yard. Take photos, measure the space, go stand in front of the actual equipment. All of this became part of the learning, and I actually did all of it. Laptop in hand, walked to the garage, measured with the iPhone Measure app, took 12 photos of the lawn, documented the sprinkler settings, the total measured area, 8,713 square feet. Here's how VibeLearn AI works. It generates 2 prompts from a template, a roadmap prompt that maps out the whole learning journey, and a daily learning prompt that guides each session. Because of this structure, whether you're studying lawn care, a new language, or anything else, the quality of AI's responses stays reliably high. Here's where it gets interesting. I went back and looked at the prompt files. The VibeLearn AI template doesn't explicitly instruct AI to collect personal data and run hyper-personalized learning. Claude Code figured that out on its own. This raises an important question. If I start learning the same way again, there's no guarantee the same hyper-personalized experience will happen. To make it reliable, I'd need to either design it into the VibeLearn AI template or explicitly request it each time. Whether to make that the default or keep it optional, I'm still thinking it through. The results were undeniable. Once I provided the data, AI's answers transformed completely. Not 3 general principles, but exact quantities for my square footage and settings designed for my specific terrain, numbers that applied only to me. This is the core of what I learned. AI is gold in, gold out. The better the data you give it, the better the answers you get. Without context, even the most powerful AI can only give you generic responses. The first law of PNW lawn care: your grass needs strong roots built in spring to survive the dry July and August. And the order of spring tasks is critical. Once you apply pre-emergent, you can't overseed for 8 to 10 weeks. Save that for September. These are the mistakes most people make with sprinkler controllers. Multiple start times mean the water runs too often. Running programs simultaneously drops water pressure. And you don't need to manually adjust every station. The seasonal adjust feature handles everything with a single percentage. In summer, you need to water every day during the dry season. In fall, September is the golden window for overseeding. Aerate first, then seed, then fertilize and water intensively. And in November, don't forget to blow out the sprinkler pipes before the freeze. This is Vibe Guiding. One simple question about mowing, and AI connected my weather forecast, weekly schedule, and afternoon plans to give me an answer that was specific to today, for me. Not once a week in spring, but the exact right moment. The real value of learning starts after the learning ends. PKM and PCM might sound technical, but they simply mean this: building and managing data about yourself. AI already has the capability to deliver hyper-personalized service, but the fuel for that capability is your personal data. The better organized your data, the better AI serves you. The day when robots manage our homes isn't far off. And when that day comes, what will let a robot start working on your yard without any trial and error? The records you're building right now. That's the long game. It started as lawn care. It ended as a lesson about the AI era. When you learn with VibeLearn AI, your personal data grows naturally. And as it grows, AI serves you better and better. All the learning materials, prompts, and links are in the pinned comment below. Thank you for watching.